Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix the registry errors on your Windows. So if you encounter this kind of error, then let's go quick into the process. So first is go ahead in the Windows search bar, type CMD. Now on the right pane, you have to click on the option Run as Administrator. Now here in this block window, you need to type this command sfc space forward slash scan now. It's sfc space forward slash scan now. Then you have to hit enter. So the system file checker scan, this will scan for, repair, and fix all system corrupted files. So while the process is going on is you should not close the window. You can just simply minimize the window but do not close it, and once the process has been 100% completed, close out of here. For the next method, go ahead in the Windows search bar, type CMD. On the right pane, click on Run as Administrator option. Now type in here this command DISM space forward slash online space forward slash clean up dash image space forward slash restore health. It's DISM space forward slash online space forward slash cleanup dash image space forward slash restore health. Hit enter. So this process will repair your Windows image. So while the process is going on, do not close the window. You can just simply minimize it but do not close it. And here is an additional tip. If you are getting stuck at a certain percentage during the process, just continuously press the space key on your keyboard. That might help the process to continue, and once the process has been successful, close out of here. Make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. And for the next method, click on the start button and go to settings. Now here in the list of options on the left pane, you have to simply click on system. Scroll down and you'll find recovery. Under recovery option, you'll find reset this PC. Click on it. So here's a reminder, before you can go on with this process, make sure to back up everything on your Windows. Make sure to back up all your personal files, apps, and settings. Then you have to click on this option after you have done backed up everything. Click on this option, remove everything. Then you have to click on cloud download, and this will reset your PC, and afterwards you just need to sign in again into your Windows, and that's it. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.